everyone. I'm thrilled to share today with you a groundbreaking development in hernia surgery, and that is called the robotic surgery for hernias. While hernias are very common in men and they cause a protrusion in the groin area which requires surgery, as there is no other medical treatment which can fix this. Traditionally, open surgery has been done with large incisions with more muscle disruption and small meshes. But now it has all changed. With the robotic surgeries, we can use very small incisions and much less muscle cutting to place large meshes so that we can avoid hernia recurrence. And that is the game-changing robotic surgery. Are you curious to know more about this revolutionary robotic surgery? Come, ask your doctor or come to Kaizen hospital and ask your doctor what is hernia surgery and robotics all about.